I'm sure you've seen those viral videos of futuristic cars hovering above the ground, taking off, and flying away. These types of videos are getting millions of views on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, and for good reason. They look incredibly cool. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create similar videos on autopilot using AI. And the best part? It's actually very easy. First, go to a website called Runnable. You can find the link in the description or simply search for it on Google. Once you sign in, you'll see a dashboard like this. Before creating anything, move your cursor to the bottom left corner, click on Settings, and then go to Preferences. Here, make sure your settings are configured as follows. Image Generation, Nano Banana 2. Image Refine, Nano Banana 2. Video Generation, Kling 3.0 Pro. Once that's done, go back to the home screen. Now, paste the master prompt into the chat box. You'll find this prompt in the description. One important thing, don't click on options like chat or generate video. We want the AI agent to handle everything automatically. After pasting the prompt, simply hit enter. Now, the AI will start working on its own. It will generate 2 images and then convert them into 2 videos. Just wait a few moments. And there you have it. Your images and videos are ready.
Come din yun copy here.
The results look amazing and are ready to use. You can download them and use tools like CapCut or Canva to combine everything and add background music. Once you create your first video, making more is even easier. You can simply type a short instruction in the same chat. For example, change the car brand or modify the background while keeping the same structure, and the AI will regenerate a completely new version. Now let's see the new results.
Got
The best part is that even with the same prompt, the results will always be slightly different, giving you unique videos every time. You can also refine your prompts or use ChatGPT to tweak details like car color, environment, or characters to create endless variations. I've personally created multiple videos using this method, and it works really well right now. Everything you need is in the description. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next video.